Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to talk about different type of eyeliners. As Indians, we are so attached about lining our eyes. For that reason alone, we need to know what are the different types of liners present today. Want to see what they are? Then keep watching. Let's start first with utmost used type by everyone, that's pencil liners. These liners can be applied in many different ways. For today's look, I'm going to apply this thickly on my upper and lower waterline along with my upper and lower lid. To do that, I'm using this Urban Decay pencil in shade Perversion. Make sure you apply this pencil as close to the lash line as you can. For my lower waterline, I'm taking this brush to help me in lining without touching my under eye skin. I'm just trying to avoid wrinkles, which when I seriously think about it, I don't think so I'm doing a good job. Anyway. Next I'm taking this pencil brush and I'm going to smudge the liner to give me that smoky look. Take your time doing this step. As you can see, this will make your eyes look bigger. Pencils can be used in so many versatile ways. It can be used in precisely lining your eyes or creating a smoky look. Oh my eyes look so much bigger. This will happen only when you smudge the liner. So make sure you do it. That's it, my first look is completed. Second type of liners are liquids. When you are using a liquid liner, the time it takes to apply the liner will reduce to half. But remember, it can get messy very soon too. So make sure you have little practice while applying liquids. For today's look, I'm taking this Kat Von D liquid liner. To apply the liner, rest your palm on the side of your face as shown here to give you the control. Start lining slowly, making a small strokes and taking the lash line as your guidance. The thickness of your line is depend on your preference. In case you have hooded eyes, make your line thicker so that it's visible when your eyes are open. The downside of using the liquid liner is it can't be used on the waterline. If you try doing it, all your liner will become smudgy and not in a good way. To balance the whole eye, I'm taking this eyeshadow which is a bit darker than my skin tone and run it along the lower lid. This step will give you the depth without the darkness. Please do try this and let me know how it goes. That's it, my second look is complete. Third type of liner is gel liner. This is my favorite type of liner because it can be used to line precisely on the top lid, or can be used for smoky eyes, or can be used in the waterline. See, one product, many users. To line my eyes, I'm taking this liner brush from Sigma and gel from Inglot. Dab your brush in the gel and same as when you are using liquid liner, rest your palm on the side of your face to give you the control and start lining. Slowly make the small strokes as taking the lash line as your guidance and start lining by joining the small strokes as shown here. Gel liner will give you a lot of control while lining, so this is very useful when you're new to makeup. Line your outer lid and inner waterline as shown here. See, you can use this on the tear duct to get the precise line. I bet you can't do this with any other liner. That's it, my third look is complete. I hope I have given you a bit of information on liners. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. It's my privilege to help you out. Stay tuned to my future videos and see you in my next video. Bye!